So let's talk about the science behind formulas. Science and nature combines to develop products and formulas to offer choice for parents. I guess one of the biggest problems new parents face is the large choice of formulas, including those based on A2 protein milk. It may be difficult to understand which is the best one to choose and which formula to use for your bub. So let me provide some information to help you easily understand the benefits of the A2 protein. Cow's milk and human milk have some similarities, however, are quite different when it comes to the types of protein they contain. Both contain casein protein and whey protein. If you think of the little Miss Muffet sat on her tuffet eating her curds and whey story, the casein is the chunkier type of protein, and that's the curds, as it curdles in the stomach acid, making it thicker, whereas the whey is the watery protein. The dominant protein in cow's milk is casein, which is 80% casein to 20% whey, whereas in human milk it is whey. So human milk has 60% whey to only 40% casein. The casein protein in cow's milk can be further classified into two main categories, known as the alpha and beta casein proteins. The beta casein is the protein that has generated all the interest in the scientific community of the past few years. The average cow in Australia produces milk that contains two types of beta-casein proteins, known as the A1 and A2. When we digest the milk, the proteins are broken down to small little chains called peptides and further down to little amino acids, the single units of protein. And this happens in the body. Digestion of the A1 protein produces a peptide called beta-casomorphin 7 or BCM7, whereas the A2 protein does not. So some healthcare professionals, including doctors, have linked the BCM7 to stomach discomfort and symptoms similar to those experienced by people with lactose intolerance. The A2 protein milk does not create the BCM7 peptide. So if your little one is experiencing discomfort when formula feeding, it's important to seek healthcare professional advice. However, a formula based on an A2 protein milk may offer a gentle solution for those delicate little tummies. The stress of an unsettled bub can be so consuming. However, remember, babies do have their unsettled days. They're learning to cope with the wake and sleep and their new surroundings and their own digestive systems. Tomorrow is a new day when you can turn to a friendly healthcare professional who will listen to you and offer some sensible solutions. Having a baby is a life-changing event. It gives you a whole other perspective on why you wake up every day. If you are interested to learn more, just jump across to our other stories section of the Better A2 Australian website and read the A Little Bit of Science for a Whole Lot of Nourishment article. This link is also provided at the end of this video. Please remember, a quality formula containing only the A2 protein may be a solution if your little one is unsettled, simply by removing one extra load on their digestive systems. However, if the issue continues, discuss this with your health professional, as there may be another underlying issue such as true lactose intolerance or an allergy to cow's milk protein. Formulas based on cow's milk, even if with the A2 protein, are not suitable for those ones who are diagnosed with lactose intolerance or who have a true cow's milk protein allergy. These little ones will need a more specialised formula recommended by their healthcare professional, so please seek them for advice. The Farmer's Better A2 formula range for stages 0 to 6 months, the newborn to 6 months, and 6 to 12 months, plus the nutritional toddler milk for those older than 1 year, are made from milk from Australian grass-fed cows that naturally produce milk that contains only the A2 beta-casein protein. The science behind these products means that they are as close to Mother Nature as we can get. Breast milk is the perfect blend of nutrients for your babies. However, quality formulas are merely trying to mimic perfection. Farmers Better A2 follow all Australian high quality standards and are so proud of the formulas that they create. I do want to point out that the Farmers Better A2 range also ticks all the boxes when it comes to covering your growing little one's nutritional needs. They all have the correct balance of essential fatty acids, prebiotics for their guts, minerals to support healthy bones such as calcium and calcium for their teeth, and also to support their cognitive development. They're set up to support strong immune systems and are a perfect blend of fat-soluble and water-soluble vitamins for them as well. It's important that you make up the formulas as they are outlined on the tin to ensure your little one is safely getting the nutrition that they are there for growth and development. Farmers Better A2 protein formula offers an alternative cow's milk formula and is suitable for all babies who require